we divide 372 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we put down these 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting, we get 0. So 372 divided by 5 is 74.4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.